parent. How to find the common parent? By pressing slash dot dot. So both are getting highlighted. SQL is also getting highlighted and 100 rupees is also getting highlighted. Now from common parent. How to find the common parent? By pressing slash dot dot. So both are anyone. Hey guys, am I audible? Guys, is it audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, please tell me what example I have taken in the independent dependent example. I have taken SQL and Java or SQL and Selenium.
Sir, in the last class, sir, we did expert assignment. Some 3-4 questions is there. Write the expert to identify the path of the Apple iPhone, or write the expert to identify the price of MI.
Before giving the assignment, I have taken one example. SQL and Selenium or SQL and Java, like that. Book price of the SQL book, like that. That was SQL and Selenium, sir. SQL and Selenium. Okay, we'll see that now. There are two books, guys. There are two books. One is SQL and one more is Selenium, and the price of SQL book is 100 rupees and the price of Selenium is 200 rupees. Now,
dependent XPath. We cannot use index here because value keeps on changing, so we use independent dependent. So okay, well, if the value is changing completely, then we handle it using by independent dependent XPath. The value is keep on changing, then we will identify the locator using independent dependent XPath. Dependent independent XPath. Here we write XPath.
by using independent dependent technique, you guys know how to. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Please give me 1 second. One more is Selenium book. Okay, the price of SQL book is 100 and the price of Selenium book is 200. The reason why we are using independent dependent technique is tomorrow the price will be keeps on changing, so I cannot use what index. I cannot use I cannot use text function here because the price will be keeps on changing. The reason why we are not able to use index. Tomorrow one more element is added, like Java book is added tomorrow in between, it will not work. That's the reason it will not work. So in order to use, we're going to use a technique called independent dependent technique. So you guys know how to use it. Now the reason why I have taken this example is, till now we have assumed that this can be what Selenium SQL is unique. SQL or Selenium subject of the book is unique. Okay, there are few applications where even that also can be duplicated. If you go to any OLX application, if you take any applications like OLX and all, you can see that it is SQL. You can see the SQL book two times. SQL book two times. Okay. Price of first SQL book is 100 and the price of second SQL book is 200. You can see it in the OLX. One guy is selling the SQL book for 100 rupees and one more guy is selling the same SQL book for 200 rupees. So it may change. So that's the reason I cannot use only independent dependent technique, because it will always take this first example. Okay, forget about this. We'll apply this independent dependent technique. Tell me how to use independent dependent technique. first SQL book is 100 and the price of second SQL book is 200. In the you can see it in the OLX. One guy is selling the SQL book for 100 rupees and one more guy is selling the same SQL book for 200 rupees. So it may change. It may change. So that's the reason. That's the reason I cannot use only independent dependent technique, because it will always take this first example. Okay, forget about this. Just we'll apply this independent dependent technique. Tell me how to use independent dependent technique. Here SQL is what? Independent element, and 100 rupees is dependent element, means depend on SQL. How to write next path? How to write next path? We'll see that by using independent dependent technique. Inspect the element and then press Ctrl F, and then first you have to write an XPath for independent element, /td dot equals SQL dot equals R. You can use dot, or you can also use text function, anyone you can use. Okay, I have written the XPath for SQL. Then you have to find the common parent is in the dependent element, means depend on SQL. How to write next path? How to write next path? We'll see that by using independent dependent technique. Inspect the element and then press Ctrl F, and then first you have to write the next path for independent element, /td dot equals SQL dot equals R. You can use dot, or you can also use text function, anyone you can use. Okay, I have written the XPath for SQL. Then you have to find the common parent. How to find the common parent? By pressing /. So both are getting highlighted. SQL is also getting highlighted and 100 rupees is also getting highlighted. Now from common parent, this is what my common parent. Now I should find the dependent element. Dot, or you can also use text function, anyone you can use. Okay, I have written the XPath for SQL. Then you have to find the common parent. How to find the common parent? By pressing /. So both are getting highlighted. SQL is also getting highlighted and 100 rupees is also getting highlighted. Now from common parent, this is what my common parent. Now I should find the dependent element. Dependent element. How to find? /td of 2. See here it is highlighting, and here are you able to see here? Here we are getting 1 of 2, means every time it will give. If I use this code in the Selenium, it will always give me this 100 only, because whenever the elements are matching with multiple elements, it will always takes the first matching element. Selenium will takes always first matching element. Selenium will takes always first match. So now I want the price of second SQL book. I want intentionally, it is not always 2 books. It may be 100 books or 10 books. In the last example only we have, I was about to explain you guys in my Myntra.com. I need to take one example. I was unable to do it because there was 5 matching elements. So what happens if there are 5 elements? What happens if there are more elements with the same name? How to handle this? For that, we're going to use one more thing called XPath by using group index. XPath by using group index. We'll see that what is that XPath by using group index. Even though if the price is same, it is not like mandated, it should be different. The price can be same also. Like in OLX also we can see the price of the SQL book can be same or it can be different. not to worry. But I need the price of particularly I need the price of second SQL book only. We'll see that by using group index. In order to tell you about the group index, I need to take up one example. Let me take one example. There is a tag called HTML. Under HTML we have body. Under body we have two divs. We have two divs, two tags. Under div there are two tags. This is link A. This is link A. There are four links we have. So there are four links. This is link A. This is B. Here one more div is there.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
So,
yes,
which
sir.
topic will start? Because of SQL, I joined late, sir. So, which topic will start today?
I've just started XPath by using group index. Hello? Yes, I've started XPath by using group index.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I'm not just started now. I just started now. Okay, let me repeat it. Okay. We know this example. In the last example, we have taken this. There are two books. One is SQL and Selenium. But here, problem is there are two books with the same name subject also. So how to handle this? We'll see that in order to handle this, you guys should know what I mean by group index. What do you mean by group index? There is one more thing called XPath by using group index. Till now, we have assumed that SQL will be unique, but here in this case, SQL is also duplicate. So how to handle this? By using what? XPath by using group index. See, I have written. We know this XPath. One second, guys. I'm not able to put anything in the chat room. I will just check it out with the. Not able to. Okay,
Hello.
second. One second.
Also not unique. So that time this
Yes.
indexing will come into existence, correct?
Yes. That time we have to use index, group index. Index, we already know index. What do you mean by index? We will know already. Here also I'm using index, TDF2, right? But how to use group index is different. I'll tell you now. I'll just take it up. 1 second, please give me. I need to connect with the admin team because they have this. Yes, what I mean to say is, in this case, okay, once. Till now we have assumed that SQL will be unique, that independent element will be unique, but independent element is also duplicate. Then how to handle this? Whenever the independent element is duplicate, then we are going to use what? Group index. What do you mean by group index? In order to explain you group index, Okay, please take this as an HTML tree. Okay, there is a tag called HTML under body. Under body, there are two divs. This is div one. This is div one, and this is div two. Okay, there are how many divs are there? How many divs? Totally two divs are there. Totally how many links we have? 4 links. That is A, B, C, D.
links to
If
group.
I use double slash A, how to get all the links? By using what? Double slash A. If I use double slash A, it will give me all the links. That is A, B, C, D.
CD.
It is going to give me all the links present in this table. Okay. Now, in order to tell that, let us tell you one example. Okay. Let me tell you 2 plus 3 into 5. What is output? What is output?
First. Three into 5, 15 plus 2, 17. 17.
Output.
17.
Anyone, please tell me what is that?
17, sir.
Guys, am I audible?
25.
17. Few people may think that it is 25. No, it is not 25, guys. It is 17.
Yes.
Because of there is one rule is there, that is Prodmos rule is there.
Bodmas.
Okay.
Bodmas.
So first multiplication happens. First it will do what? Multiplication. That is 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 17. Okay. Few people may think like this. 2 plus 3 how much? 5. 5 into 5 25. That's the reason few people have told me 25. No, actually it is what? Always remember it is always 17. The reason, okay, now I want the 25. I don't want 17. So in order to get 25, what I will do like this.
Group.
Okay, now answer is what? It is not 17, it is 25.
It's 25.
Because, okay, 2 plus 3, 5 into 5, 25. Same thing we are going to apply. We are going to apply the same concept. Means what is happening here in this example, what is happening is, first it will execute whatever it is there inside the brace. Okay, that is 2 plus 3, how much? 5. So it is going to execute what is there inside the brace. Then it will execute outside the brace. 2 plus 3, how much? 5. So 5 into 5, 25. If you don't use brace, it will be 17. Same thing, we are going to use braces here also. Double slash A brace. We are going to use a group index. Double slash A. Means it will execute what is there inside the brace. Means it is going to take all this ABCD. Means it is going to take all this ABCD like this. A, one by one it will take like this. Means it will take all this A and then B and then C and then D. For this, it is going to first it will take all this ABCD, all the links, and then put it in one array called XPath array. It is going to put this in XPath array. In this XPath array, it is going to put one index. It is going to use one index. Means for A it is 1, for B it is 2, for C it is 3, and then for D it is 4. Let me show you 1 second, please. Please give me 1 second. Whenever we use the double slash A, it is going to put like this: A, B, C, and D. It is going to put one. It is going to take all these 4 and take it inside the XPath array. Or it is going to assign one address. Sorry, assign the index. It is a different index. It's a different index. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. It is going to take all these things. Whenever I am using what /A inside the brace, it is going to take all the elements inside the XPath array. This is called as XPath array. This entire thing is called as XPath array, and then it is going to use its own index. It is going to use its own index. If I use 1 means what? It is going to give A1. If I use 2, it is going to give me B. It is if I use 3, it is going to give me what? A C. If I use 4, it is going to use. Let me show you. If I use 1 here, outside the brace, it is going to give me A. Same way. This is 2 and this is 3 and this is 4. This will give me what? B. This will give me B and this will give me C and this will give me D. This will give me B. Same way I can also use what? Still okay. Same way, okay, let me delete this. Now what I will do, okay, everyone knows what you mean by /A of 1? /A of 1. How many matches if I use /A of 1?
A and C.
A and C, yes. A and C. You know A and C. The same way, if I use /A of 2 means, okay, A of 2 means it is matching with B and D. Now what I will do, I'm going to use group index /A of 1. /A of 1 means we know A and C. Okay, now are you guys getting? Okay, let me repeat. Is the output. I will tell you. How it will execute? First, it will execute inside the brace. Yes, tell me.
Sir, this is A bracket 1 and after braces 2, it should be B, correct? This one.
I will repeat. I will repeat. Okay, everyone able to see what I highlighted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What I'm using what /A of 1. Let me repeat this. Okay, I'm repeating this example C and D. How your grades are getting C and D. Okay, I am using what /A of 1. I'm using /A of 1. /A of 1 means we know A and C. Okay, now are you guys getting? Okay, let me repeat. Okay, let me take one by one. Okay, not to worry about. Okay, let me. Okay. See here. We know, at least everyone knows this. How we are getting /A of 1 means AC, because A is also index 1. Okay,